From wild science comes the amazing human body kit. Explore the incredible science of the human body. Learn about the chemicals and systems that keep us alive. Discover brain science and the nervous system. Learn about the respiratory system and how viruses multiply. Experiment with the chemistry of the digestive system. And explore the musculoskeletal system. Learn real laboratory skills using the lab equipment and included chemicals. Mix up some fake blood for a blood typing simulation. Add the reagents and interpret the results. Make solutions and a pH indicator to create a test tube digestive system. Learn how gooey snot is a first line of defense against disease. Experiment with the gases in air. Capture your own breath and see how it changes the color of a solution. Extract real DNA from strawberries. Extract protein from milk to make solid shapes and starch from a potato to make slime. Investigate the unique properties of water that make it essential for life. Mix and mold amazing anatomical models to explore the bones of the hand and the regions of the brain. Experiment with smell, touch, taste, hearing, and sight to explore sensory perception. Learn lots of fun facts about the human body and discover amazing breakthroughs in modern medical science. The Amazing Body Lab includes over 40 tools and ingredients and full colour instructions for over 50 science experiments exploring the chemistry and biology of the human body. The Amazing Human Body Kit. And remember, there is only one wild science.